Let's talk about a major sign that you're about to quantum leap. Hi, I'm Erin Werley. I am the author of One Truth, One Law. I am a Create Lightworkers 101 and also the creator of Quantum Lightwork Academy. I have made over $2 million in my soul-aligned business in the last 5 years. So if you are like, I want to quantum leap, I'm ready to go from who I have been to the dream version of me, come along with me in this video, because the truth is I did not start my life feeling intuitive, confident, any of the things that I am now. The truth is I started my life feeling super not good enough, lost, confused, like everybody else knew what was going on and I was totally clueless. I was always pretending to try to fit in, but I always felt like an outsider. And then I started developing my intuition. I started going deep into trusting my intuition. And little by little, I started to take action on my intuition. Published my book, started my soul aligned business, and have quantum leaped again and again and again and again and again. When I first started showing up on YouTube, I was wearing my nightgowns and my hair was in a dirty bun because that was the only version of me that existed at the time. I had little kids and that was the best that I could do. Now I do my hair. I put on makeup on a daily basis. I show up as the version of me that feels so good and so true. But the truth is, I've created this version of me. I've created this identity. And so one of the biggest signs that you are about to quantum leap into your next level is that you are fed up with your old identity. You're fed up with the version of you who has been settling for a life that is clearly not your dream reality. And maybe that's a life of overwhelm where there's too much on your plate. Maybe it is a life where everyone is always needing you and taking up all your time and energy. Maybe it's a life where you're bored and there doesn't seem to be very much interesting to do. Maybe it is just the life that you are like, this is not what my soul is here for. So the sign that you're about to quantum leap is that you are done. You're done. Because the truth is, most people spend their entire life settling for a life that does not align with their soul. But on the day that you are done, you literally don't care anymore about any of the old reasons you were telling yourself that you have to put up with it, that you have to settle for it, that you have to make it work. On the day that you are done, you are simply done and you're like, no. And so if you were overwhelmed before and you're running around like a chicken with your head cut off, on this day that you are done, you're like, I'm just going to slow down. I'm going to take my time today and I don't care if there's a million things that need my attention because I'm done. If you were like somebody who people would call you all the time, you were the one that put out the fires. You were the one everybody came to and it felt like all your energy was draining to other people all of the time. On this day, you're like, no. When they call you, no. When they say, I have this problem, you're just no. I'm sorry, no. No. All of a sudden, the boundaries that you had been trying to create for 6 months or 5 years, they just magically appear on this day. And you say, I'm done. So how do we get to this day? How do we create this day for ourselves? Well, the truth is it is a creation. If we don't choose to consciously create this quantum leap, we'll wonder when it's coming for the rest of our lives. We have to choose to dream of the next level identity of us, the version of us that shows up every day as we dream of being. So for me, 5-6 years ago, I was making my YouTube videos in my nightgown with dirty hair in a bun. How did I get to the version of me with makeup on and hair looking pretty, wearing jewelry and feeling beautiful? Well, I created her. I, over and over and over again, took little tiny actions in the direction of being this version of me. So I started with smaller jewelry that felt more comfortable, until one day I said yes to, oh, my enhancer dropped, but that's okay. That's real life. Till one day I said yes to, I'm going to buy this thing that I really like. Ooh, it sticks out and it shines bright, and I have even bigger, shinier jewelry than this now as well. But shining bright things. I'm going to buy a Dyson Airwrap, and I'm going to learn to do my hair. I'm going to go to the Mac store and buy and have the makeup artist show me how to do my own makeup. I'm going to do these things because I have it written down on my creation list. And I read my creation list every morning and every night, and this is creating the version of me that I desire to be. And it's not just about my appearance, it's about creating that millions of people will read my books, and millions of people have read my books. Creating that thousands of people will go through my courses, and thousands of people have gone through all of my courses combined. It's incredible. When you show up and consistently call in your next level identity, and you take the actions in alignment with that next level identity, the magic happens. The quantum leap happens because you've created it. So I'm going to leave you with this thought. You are a creator. The power is within you, and it does not matter how crazy wacko the world around us is right now, because let's be honest, the world around us right now is crazy wacko. That doesn't matter if you ground into your inner power. Now, for those of you who would like to continue the journey with me, I highly recommend Quantum Lightwork Academy. This is the place where you learn to use your energy and intuitive gifts to navigate the real crazy world we live in and quantum leap into your next level soul aligned identity so that you can shine bright, so that you can become the most abundant version of you, because that is what you as a soul came here for. Sending you so much love, and I will talk to you soon.